This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. This is the latest foldable, flippable smartphone from Samsung. And this device has a large cover screen. And here is the Galaxy S24 Plus. This one also is one of the greatest smartphones from Samsung. And it has a large screen, 3 cameras on the back, but it doesn't fold. So the Galaxy Z Flip 6, will you rather get a Flip 6 or a S24 Plus? The Flip 6 has a screen that folds in half. So this is one big selling point for this device and one big feature for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. And also on the cover screen here, you can basically run all types of applications on the cover screen. It is small, but it is going to work. This is one of the big selling points. Also, you have the camera here. With the camera on the cover screen, you have access to the primary camera to do all your photography, all your pictures, and all your videos. So this is something that is not available on the Galaxy S24 Plus. The S24 Plus has the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 that is inside the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So in terms of processing power, processor, they are the same. Now if you look at the specs, here I have 256 gigs of memory on the S24 Plus, and the RAM memory is 12 gigs. And also with this Galaxy Z Flip 6, here I have 12 gigs of RAM memory also, and 512 gigs of memory. 12 gigs of RAM is the new thing with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So in terms of RAM memory, they are the same also. I would rather get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 because it is a new technology, but it comes with the price of having a folding screen, which might be a little bit more fragile than a regular Galaxy smartphone with a normal screen and normal form factor. And also in terms of repair, a folding screen is going to cost more to replace than a regular screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a better device for those who want a flip and a new technology type of smartphone. But the Galaxy S24 Plus is big. It has a gorgeous screen. It is very performance heavy. It can do a lot of things that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 can do. But the only main difference is that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a little bit more on the features side. It has more features, more small things that makes it a little bit more enjoyable than a regular boring smartphone's Galaxy S24 Plus. In terms of camera, we have 3 here, and basically the 3 cameras on the back on the S24 Plus are not the same as this one. This one has only 2 cameras, and also the camera quality on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is not compared to the Galaxy S24 Plus. The S24 Plus has a better camera system, a better camera quality than the Galaxy Z Flip. But the only other stuff here is the Galaxy Z Flip 6. You can use the primary camera, the main camera sensor, to do everything if you close the device and use the cover screen. But with the S24 Plus,